Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Shelby County, Hancock County, north central Monroe County, west central Rush County, southeastern Morgan County, Johnson County, northwestern Brown County, southeastern Marion County, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Martinsville, or 16 miles northeast of Bloomington, moving northeast at 85 miles per hour.
Dang!